Hello guys, in this tutorial we will install ROS2 Humble and at the end run a short example in the terminal. Stay until the very end to see a very useful trick which will make your future work with ROS a lot easier. First, go to the homepage of ROS. You can find the link in the description. I highly recommend to have a look at the homepage to get a better understanding what ROS is all about. Also stay tuned and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on new tutorials about ROS. Click on Get Started to get to the page where the current supported versions of ROS are listed. On there, you can see 3 recommended versions. We select the version with the name Humble Hawksbill since we are using Ubuntu Linux 22, and we want the long-term support version, short LTS. Click on Install to proceed. Here we select the Debian packages for our Ubuntu version. Click on Debian Packages. Now we will start with the installation process. First, we have to check if we have a locale which supports UTF-8. We check that by typing locale in the terminal. In my case, I have the right settings. However, if you have something else set, make sure to run those commands. Now we have to install a package and add the ROS repository. Now we add the ROS2 GPG key. The GPG key is used to verify the authenticity and integrity of the software packages provided by the ROS distribution repositories. Then we add the repository to our sources list. After that, we have to update our apt repository. It is always wise to do that if you want to install new packages. After that, we need to update our system by executing sudo apt upgrade. Now we are ready to install ROS2. To achieve this, we execute sudo apt install ROS Humble Desktop. This is the full version, which is recommended since it is the full installation. Alternatively, you can also install the base version. If you want, you can also install the development tools. In order to be able to use the newly installed software, we need to source the software by copying following command. To test if the installation worked, we can type in ROS2 in the terminal, and if the installation succeeded, we can see information about the ROS2 commands. Alternatively, we can also test the talker and listener, which are pre-installed examples. Simply copy the given commands. Don't forget to source the setup file in the new terminal, otherwise your computer will not know where the ROS2 software lies. Since it is always very annoying to manually source the setup file, we can create a shortcut. Open the bash RC with the gedit command and insert the line we previously used to source the setup file. Now, every time we open a terminal, the source file is sourced. Don't forget to change this line if you use a different ROS version. This is it for now. Stay tuned for more tutorials of this series. Subscribe and leave a like if this video was helpful.